name's Vernon. I've been challenged by everybody to do this for ALS. And this is what I'm doing today. Down here at Santa Monica under the pier, I'm getting awfully wet and awfully cold for ALS, and especially for Sharon. Sharon, we all love you, sweet one, and I hope you're feeling so much better. And I challenge all those people that think they're smarter than I am, sitting on their butts watching this. Aaron Cahill, Doogie, Richard Hatch, get up your asses, get out here and do it. I challenge you. Ready? Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Hold on.
This is for Sharon and ALS.
1, 2, 3.
I have 2 words. You can't print them on film. Shit, it's cold.
Yes.
I ain't moving ever. I'm son of a... Even my dog, he's not near the water, thank God. Even my dog is prepared to do the ALS challenge. Are you ready?
Yeah, 1, 2, 3.